Hey Chris, it's Max. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier and allowing me to send you over this video. All I ask is for your feedback. The general gist of this video is to show you 3 simple things that you could do to your website if you had one that would help you rank in Google for select key terms that are being searched by your customers every month. And I know that these terms are being searched every month because I use this software called Ahrefs. Shows me that there's actually 430 total searches for a handyman in Tallahassee. And so with Google, typically about 10% of that turn into phone calls, so right at 43 calls. But even if we just play it conservatively and safe, say that only 5% turn into phone calls, that's still an extra 21 calls every month. So because I couldn't find your website, I'm going to use your number one competitor here, Sellers Maintenance, and we're just going to break down their website to show you how all this works, and it'd kind of be like a roadmap to outranking your number one competitor. So the first thing is copying everything on their homepage because content is really important, throwing it into this word counter. And you see that they have 271 words on the homepage. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage in order to start ranking. And the reason being is Google looks at your website as a contributing factor to their platform. So the bigger your website is, the bigger Google's platform gets, and then they will reward you by ranking you for whatever your content is relevant to. So if you had 1,500 to 2,000 words and you targeted these exact match key terms, Google's going to rank you for exactly what your customers are searching for. And then you're also going to dominate your number one competitor. The second thing that I wanted to show you is backlinks. So if we just, backlinks, which all a backlink is just one website that links to your website and passes relevant power. So if we just take their URL here and throw it into Ahrefs, this shows us that they have 29 links coming from 6 websites. And so it is passing some power here, but this right here is how much Google trusts those links. As you can see, it's rated 0. So this site is really not trusted very much. That's a good advantage for you. The way that you can get good trust and power back to a website that you may build is by taking the URL and putting it on really relevant resources like handyman blog post or other home improvement websites that have good metrics here. And then that link is going to be able to share that relevant power back to your page. The third and final thing I wanted to show you is how to get in this map pack that's through citations. All a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, Facebook, or the BBB. And all that does is it verifies that you're in the local area and you're not just another website on the internet. So once you get that verified and you have more citations than these 3, you can start ranking it in this map pack. And the map pack is really important because it brings in about 25% more calls than these organic listings down here. So that's really all that I have for you today. I hope this was informative and helpful. All I ask is for your feedback. You can either reply to this email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. So thanks for your time and talk to you soon.